All right, good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, October 5th. Some pretty good action going on this morning. So I think we're going to have a really good day. We started off this morning. We had some financials come out and put a lot of good volatility in the market. So we were able to take advantage of that higher volatility. Right now, we are just waiting. I mean, gold is actually in a buy. It's been in a buy here for about the last 20 minutes. I'll just give you a price target on this. Let's take a look at this gold. Gold, I could see it coming up to 1724, 1724. Let's go ahead and we'll just go ahead and mark that, 1724 on the gold. All right, so 1724 is going to be our profit target. $17.24. If we do reverse, I'd like to reverse down here at 1712. 1712. All right, 1712. All your indices are down. So we're probably going to get a lower opening. Actually, when we looked at our, we ran a scan on our stocks, and we have a lot of patterns setting up on the buy side. So usually when that happens, we end up having an update. Now, that doesn't mean necessarily, I mean, we're only looking at probably, a 60 to 65% probability. So it's not like it's super strong. I don't really use that as trading in one direction or the other, but it just kind of gives me an idea of what to expect in the market. So I wouldn't be surprised to see a lower opening, which it looks like we're going to see, and then maybe pop up. So we'll see. All right. So once again, if you're joining us on YouTube and Facebook, thank you for joining us. Any questions along the way, feel free to put it in the chat. All right, yeah, feel free to put it in the chat. If you have any questions, you can either Glenn or moderator will go ahead and answer those questions for you, or myself if I'm not getting close to getting into a trade. So once again, we will continue to watch a couple indices. We're going to watch RTY, which is going to be the mini Russell. We have YM, which is going to be the mini Dow. Gold, we'll continue to watch gold, GC, and NGs are going to be our natural gas. And then on the currencies, continue to watch Euro US and the US yen. And then on stocks, continue to watch Apple, Microsoft, GM, and Home Depot. So with the indices and the commodities and the stocks, we're going to be using something that one of the methods that we teach is called Einstein. What Einstein is, it's a mathematical formula in combination with several patterns that will provide us with an entry, a profit target, and a reversal. We do hit target approximately anywhere between 72 to 80% of the time. We hit target before reversal, but if we do hit reversal, it will recalculate and provide us with a target in the opposite direction. And then with the currencies, we're going to be using one of our 5 different behavioral patterns. We call them behavioral patterns. That's going to be more time sensitive, meaning that we won't stay in a trade more than 4 to 5 minutes, and then we're out. Absolutely no more than 5 minutes. When we're trading Einstein, we're either going to hit target and or reversal. So it can hit it within minutes. It may take longer. So Einstein, we hold on until either target or reversal is hit. All right. So only thing we have right now is long the gold. I am watching natural gas. We'll see if we can get a buy here on natural gas. We've got a pulse now. When we're trading Einstein, you're hearing me talk about 3 different patterns, HF1, 2, and 3. Those are specific patterns that we use with Einstein, HF1, 2, and 3. HF1 tends to be our stronger pattern, and we do possibly have an HF1 coming up on natural gas. We're going to watch that for a buy. All right, so if we can come up to that 69.95, 69.95 would be a really good buy for this natural gas. So I'm just going to mark it here. 69.95. All right, 69.95 will be our entry. Sorry, Jerome, how's that? 69.95 will be our entry on the natural gas. We are long gold. All right, I'll tell you what, let's take a quick look at the Dow chart. Just getting an idea of the overall direction. There's still that gap sitting way down here, but you also have a gap from yesterday. So this gap's gonna need to get filled. I'm not sure we'll do it today. If we do it today, it's really not gonna look good for the market. But we still have, now we have this price gap over here. So that would be the first gap. Then we still have a really big gap, once again, going all the way back to June 2020. Have this big gap in here. Markets always tend to come back and fill up gaps. I do like to trade around gaps. The thing with gaps, though, is you don't know, is he going to get it filled the next day? Is he going to fill? See, look at this little gap here. Took about a month or two before it got filled. Then you had a gap here, got filled. You'll see that these gaps in here do eventually get filled. Let me see. There was a price gap there. You guys can see that. So we have a price gap up here too. That will eventually get filled. The question is when. You just don't know, right? So this gap will get filled. This price down here will get filled. This gap down to 28,495. So overall, I do think the Dow's still going to continue to come down. So we'll watch. It looks like we're going to have a pretty good lower opening this morning. Maybe 100, 200 points. Not huge compared to what we've been doing. Yeah, they do. They have that IMS Services PMI report coming out here at 10 a.m. That's going to put a little bit probably put a little bit of volatility in the market. All right, natural gas is getting closer. That's 69.95. 69.95 would be a nice HF1 buy on natural gas. Not seeing anything on the indices yet. Nothing on our stocks. Looks like stocks want to continue to come down. Nothing on the currencies. Yeah, I think they're making changes. Glenn's talking about the Nadex platform, how they're slowly starting to make some changes to it. Remember, they were bought by Crypto.com. Crypto.com's a big company, and so I think we're gonna see them making quite a few improvements to it, make it a lot more robust, and also that is probably start putting in some cryptos, which would be good. But the way it's set up right now is really nice. You can trade your indices with Nadex. You can trade your commodities. You can trade your currency pairs. So there's really a little bit of everything. Now you don't have to trade with Nadex. You can use any exchange. And I use Thinkorswim as my platform for my charts, but once again, you can use any platform that you like. A lot of good platforms out there. I just like Thinkorswim. I've been with them for almost day one since they've been around, and I've always just liked them. So I think they do a real good job with their platform, and I like their service. Their service is really good. They have good customer support. So I've been happy with them. Nadex has been good. So if you're not familiar with Nadex, Nadex is a regulated exchange here in the U.S. They do trade binary options, but it is regulated, unlike some of the foreign exchanges. And it is it's a very, very good. It's just a really good platform, and they give you a lot of advantages of trading. All right, so let's see. Is natural gas going to come up and trigger? We're still long gold. Keep an eye on Microsoft. It looks like Microsoft wants to have a pullback here. I could see Microsoft coming down to 245.60. $245.60. All right, so we have about another 11 minutes to go here before the opening bell. Expecting a lower opening. How much? 100 to 200 probably. Not a big lower opening. All right, so once again, the this morning show is open every morning, Monday through Friday. First hour is free to everybody that would like to watch me demonstrate my methods. My methods are different. I don't use any indicators. I've been a 40-year trader. Patterns I discovered 35 years ago. And the nice thing I like about patterns is they're not subjective. I mean, they either give you a buy or they give you a sell, and it just makes trading a lot easier when you're trading with patterns. And the nice thing about these patterns, they're universal, meaning I can go take my patterns and I can use them in any commodity, any stock, any currency, any indice. So that gives the patterns a lot more validity. Now, if I have a pattern that seems to only work in one market, like let's say it only works in the E-mini S&P 500, well, I don't put much weight into that. If a pattern is good, basically behavioral pattern, it should work across the board in any market you're trading. And so that's why I have continued to stick with these patterns, because they've proven themselves, and it makes trading a lot easier. You don't have to worry about tons of indicators on your charts. You don't have to worry about whether it crossed this line or did this, or is it going to do that? Is it truly all the things that people look at, right? Divergences and support, resistance, all that stuff. So it just makes trading a lot easier. All right, so we're still continuing to hold on to that long gold. Watching natural gas, see if we can pop up here. 16.95, be a good entry point on natural gas. All right, about another, 7 minutes to go here before the opening bell. Once again, expecting a lower opening. Coming in long gold, coming in long, nope, not yet. Looking to buy natural gas. Waiting to see if Microsoft's going to pull back down here to the 245.60. Also, be sure, if you like this morning show, please subscribe. It does help out my channel. Also, please hit that notification bell so we can keep you updated on any new videos that come out. You'll be the first to get them. And also, if we put out any specials, you want to make sure you're on our email list. Go to innovativetradingstrategies.com. And we do have specials that come out from time to time. We'll make sure that we get that to you. We don't send out a ton of emails. If you get one a week, that's about max, unless you're a subscriber. We do have our daily setups that we send out every night. And then basically the way that works is that using the same patterns, we're just applying it to the daily charts, and it gives us buy and sell entries the night before. So we put them on at night, and we just let them go until the following day. Really easy way to trade. I do like my dailies. It's just a really nice add-on to the short-term trading that we do. All right, 4 minutes to go here. Looks like Microsoft may pull back here and hit this 245.60 level. All right, looks like Microsoft just hit that pullback at 245.60. All right, about a minute and a half to go before the opening bell. All right, here we go. 20 seconds to go here. I'm thinking 100 to 2. Well, I don't even think 200 lower. Maybe 100. Maybe somewhere between 100 and 200 lower. Wow, 325 now, 320. A little bit more than I expected. Okay, just got to buy. Wow, got to buy in the mini Dow. Got to buy in the mini Dow, but it's running fast. All right, that buy came in at 301, 301.12. Target is going to be 301.63. And our hold, unless we need the reverse down here at 313.
Profit target hit.
All right, we hit target on the mini Dow. Possible buy coming up on RTY, which is the mini Russell. Continuing to have a buy on gold. Wait to see if this natural gas is going to pull up and put us into a buy. Real close on the mini Russell, getting triggered on the long side. Dow's up 203. I'm sorry, down 203. Moving up. Excuse me. All right, looks like we're getting a pullback on natural gas. Let's see. Natural gas coming down to see a pullback target on this gas down to 68.45. Go ahead and put that in there. $68.45. All right, still on gold. All right, still on gold. Waiting to see if this natural gas will pull back to 68.45. Got a double carrot short over there on the Euro US. I didn't take it, but double carrot short. Good little pattern when you see these two little red carrots. Either buy or short. I prefer short, but I didn't take it. I just missed it. But those are really nice trades. Really nice pattern. All right, still on gold. Went ahead and put another one on this pullback. Dow 277. Okay, got to buy on Home Depot. Buy on Home Depot. All right. Excuse me. Target on Home Depot is going to be 287.90. $287.90 is going to be that target. HF1 buy on Home Depot. If it comes down to 286.39, I'll get out. All right, just a couple things on long Home Depot, long gold. I added to the gold on the pullback. Okay, getting a HF1 buy on the mini Dow. All right, target mini Dow 302.13.
Profit target hit.
Okay, Home Depot hit its profit target. Still long gold. Waiting to see if we're going to get a buy on this natural gas. Long the mini Dow. $302.13 is going to be the target on the mini Dow. Okay, still along the mini Dow. 302.13 target. I'll reverse at 363 if it comes down. Dow's down 230. So it's coming up a little bit. All right, so I'm getting a HF2 buy on Apple. Let's see, target on Apple 145.63 would be my profit target. 145.63 on Apple. I'll get out down at 144.13. So you have a buy going on your mini Dow. May get triggered on that natural gas, looking to buy that natural gas. Apple's on a buy, target 145.63 on Apple. All right, still long on the mini Dow. $302.13 is our target on the mini Dow. Been holding on the gold pretty much all morning. Still waiting for gold to come back up. Apple's in a buy. 145.63 is going to be that target on Apple. Looks like we're getting a pullback on GM. Let's see what this GM looks like. Looks like GM wants to come down a little bit more. Yeah, I can see GM coming down to 34.13. $34.13. All right, so we have about 2 minutes to go here before the top of the hour, which will end the free live broadcast. We'll continue on in our live trading room with our students. If you'd like more information, go to my YouTube channel. A lot of good videos out there. I do go into a little bit more depth on the methods that I'm trading. Also, you can go to our website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. And there you can get a hold of me if you have questions, or also check out our daily setups. They've done really well. Those are posted. Those come out every night. And like I said, you put them on the night before, and it's pretty much set and forget. You just let them go to the following day. And we may just get triggered here on this natural gas. Let's watch this natural gas. I do want to buy this natural gas. Still mini Dow still in a buy. We've got Apple still in a buy. Waiting for GM to pull back to that 34.13 level. Still buy on the gold. Okay, so we're here at the top of the hour once again. Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, please go to my website, If you'd like to learn these methods, please check out our packages on innovativetradingstrategies.com. Everybody have a good trading day, be safe, and we'll see you all again, hopefully first thing in the morning. Take care.